Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about Wittig reaction, and Wittig reaction is a reaction of phosphorus halide with an aldehyde or ketone to form alkenes. So basically what is the conversion from aldehyde to ketone? Alkenes are obtained. The very first thing is organophosphorus halides. Then the first question arises, what are these? This is an phosphorus halide. Alright. So we will see first thing how it is prepared. This is triphenylphosphine. This is reacted with an alkyl halide. Nucleophilic substitution reaction occurs. This phosphorus attacks the carbon and your bromine is eliminated, and it forms a salt just like this. Now in the second step, deprotonation occurs. This is a highly stabilized compound due to the resonance, and in order to eliminate a proton from here, you will require a strong base. So we are taking butyl lithium. This butyl lithium will abstract a proton from here, and this carbon will get a negative charge. So this is our halide. This halide is a Zwitter ion. It's a compound which have both the species, negative charge and positive charge, both are present on this species. So it's a Zwitter ion. It is stabilized like this by resonance. What is happening? The phosphorus and carbon are forming a double bond here. Now this double bond, or you can say the pi bond, is not a pp bond. The two p orbitals of phosphorus and carbon are not overlapping here. Instead, what is happening, for phosphorus d orbital and for carbon p orbital, both are overlapping to form a pi bond. Alright, so the stabilization is done by pd bonding. Now, why the Wittig reaction is so important? Because you can prepare an alkene from dehydration of alcohol. Alright. You can also prepare your alkene by deprotonation of alcohol. So if you do that, what you will obtain? In this particular case, you will obtain a compound like this. Alright. So when you have a much easier reaction to prepare alkene, why Wittig reaction is important? The reason is, this is a simple alcohol. But if you have a secondary alcohol, then the case will be different. Or you have a tertiary alcohol. In that case, you will get a mixture of products. In case of primary alcohol, you will get a single product. But if you have a secondary or tertiary alcohol, then you will get a mixture of products. So here in the Wittig reaction, you will only get one product, and the best part is the location of double bond is absolutely fixed. Alright. Let's see what will be the mechanism.